Hey guys, so I'm officially done with finals. Yeah! So I'm really excited, really happy. My last final was actually yesterday evening, like 4 to 7, and so I'm actually like fresh from finals. It's basically the next day after finals, and I decided to do this video, a clean with me video, because my life is a mess right now. Let's just say that. So I don't know, during finals week somehow my room became a dumpster. My room is just a mess. My room is just scattered. I have a lot of stuff to like clean out from my computer. I have to empty out my school bag, my backpack. I just have to clean up, you know, like I just have to put my life back in order. I have laundry, loads of laundry to do. I don't know, it's meant to be like therapeutic and like satisfying. So if you like videos where like you just like see things getting clean, then keep watching. Keep watching this, because this room is a mess. I'm going to show you guys like a before and then like an after, of course, and you guys can see what I do. So that's kind of like what this video is about. It's kind of a very casual video, very kind of vloggy, and I just said to do that last minute, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And let me stop rambling and get into cleaning this room. That's what my room looks like right now. It's a mess. Don't judge me. It happens sometimes. It just happens sometimes. And I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning my room. So for my everyday jewelry, I actually bought this box from H&M. It's like this cute glass box with like gold like lining. I always felt like it was scattered and it gets like disorganized. So I feel like if I have like a nice cute box that just holds everything like right there, I feel like it's cute. Okay, it's time for the main event. This desk. So I need to clean this up, and let's do this. My clock fell off a while ago, so I need to put that back on. And the desk is done. Look at that. Look at that. Organized. Organized. Clean. I have fresh workspace. I haven't had fresh workspace in a while. Wow. And that's it. Desk is done. Now I was thinking of what to do, and I said I was going to empty out my bag. So I'm going to empty out my backpack and try to figure out where to put stuff and like old notebooks and things like that. So let's do that. Let's see what junk I can find in here, because I feel like there's so much junk in here from the whole semester. Okay, so I have my files, flyers, Haribo. Oh gosh, this was from finals week. This was my snack during finals week. Just have a lot of flyers, I guess. I don't need. Oh, my headband. Oh my gosh, just trash. So much trash. So much trash. So for some reason I have a pencil case, but I apparently don't use it because I just have all these like layaway pencils and pens just in my bag, literally, and I have a pencil case and I just don't use it, apparently. So my desk is done. I've emptied out my bag. I've cleaned out the whole floors. All the floors are looking good. I just need to pack up a little things here, and then yeah, arrange my pillows. Basically done, but except for my bed, because I need to take out my bed sheets. Thought of, I really should have put my clothes in the laundry before starting to clean, so that it would have been washing while I was cleaning, but I don't know why that didn't come to my mind. And so now I'm gonna go put my laundry, take off my bed sheets, put my laundry in the thing, but I really should have done that first, so now I feel dumb. Anyways, let's do it. Laundry time. Let's do this. First batch. So now I wanted to actually declutter my computer, because I told you that I was gonna do that. I wanted to declutter it because, you know, I told you like when you're in school you download so many different stuff, so I want to go through that and just like show you how I do it. So basically you just find things that you want to keep and you make a file for them and you keep them under like a semester file. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go through my computer and like clean stuff out, declutter. That's very important after a semester. Alright, so it's later on, it's kind of dark now, but I wanted to show you guys how I organize my things and was able to get things into one folder. I went through my downloads and just like looked for the things that I don't need and like all the extra files that I have. So I always make a folder for each semester, like going from fall 2017, summer 2018, spring 2018. So now I have my fall 2018 folder here, and so inside each of them I have the folders for each of my classes. Now my downloads folder is not crazy anymore, it's clean. I've kind of emptied it out, and so that was the point of this whole like computer declutter thing. Alright, so hey guys, it's later on in the day. It's kind of dark now, so I have to turn on my lights. I don't exactly like my yellow lights, but ignore the color, focus on me. But my room is clean now. That's actually food that I ordered, so that's not like trash or anything. And I've been able to clean everything. I decluttered my computer, as you saw, and now I'm actually just going to eat because I'm really hungry. But my laundry is almost done. So my laundry is done, then I'm gonna make my bed, and then that's probably gonna be the end of this video. But my room is clean and I'm very happy about it.
I'm having second thoughts about Coach and Cece. Maybe I should stop their date. Smart enough!
So it is around like 10 p.m. or so, and I am finally done with like my whole day of cleaning up and just getting my life together. I finally made my bed. As you can see, I can sleep now, thank God. So yeah, my room is clean, it's like organized, my computer is organized, my laundry is done. Everything just looks great, as you saw in the clip during the day. I'm really happy with how everything turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I really enjoyed doing it because it was kind of like you guys following me along in my cleaning journey for the day. And I'm really happy to be done with school and for the holidays to start. So more videos are going to be coming in. I have plans, and I hope you guys stick with me and keep watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Join the family. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Peace and strength.